Hi kabayan! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, ang Buhay at Payo ng OFW. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-enroll for internet voting for this year's Philippine election, may nakita po akong step-by-step process na nakapost sa the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, Washington, D.C. website. I think mas malinaw siya at mas madaling sundan para ma-set natin yung expectation sa step-by-step process. Huwag po kayo mag-alala, ilalagay natin yung link sa description para ma-redirect kayo kaagad dito sa step-by-step process at hindi po kayo malilito. So sa page, nakalagay dito yung overseas voting. May mga information na kailangan nating i-check. Ang importante is yung mga dates. For the enrollment, it's until May 7, 2025. So kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-enroll, mag-enroll na po tayo. And we have yung direct link for the enrollment form. So for example, pag click natin siya, ito yung magiging enrollment form. And then going back sa step-by-step process, pwede nyo rin po siyang i-scan using your tablet or mobile phone. Ang best tip po na device na gagamitin is yung mobile phone kasi mas madali po tayong makapag-capture or makapag-picture ng valid ID at the same time mapipicture natin yung sarili natin or mabivideo record natin yung sarili natin. And then, ito po, ipapakita natin yung steps. So, step 1 is make sure na open yung enrollment form and then mag-ask po siya ng mga information. First is yung valid ID and it will ask you to create your own password. Lakihan po natin siya para mas malinaw. Ayan. And then, pwede po nyong i-check both mobile number or email or pwede rin pong isa dito. Ang importante po ay mag-select po kayo ng information or mag-select kayo between mobile number or email kasi doon po ipapadala yung information kasama po yung OTP. So ipapakita po natin yan. So since nasa ibang bansa tayo, make sure to select the correct country and enter your phone number sa country na pinagtatrabahuan nyo. Sa case ko is I'm in Canada. And then enter your email address, kung anong embassy kayo kabilang, which is usually yung pinakamalapit sa location nyo, at kung saang country. So sa example ng screenshot na to is sa Thailand. And then to make sure to click enroll. And then after clicking enroll, it will send the OTP. Depende kung ang sinelect nyo ay mobile number or email address, doon po mag-send yung OTP. And then, after ma-receive yung OTP, it will ask you to enter the OTP and then click on Submit. And then, the next step is for you to take a picture of your valid ID and also it will ask you to take a video selfie na hawak yung valid ID na ipepresent nyo. Kaya mas maganda kung cellphone kasi mas madali yung magagamit yung camera compared sa laptop which is either a webcam or yung camera na built-in sa laptop. So mas madali pag cellphone. And then kapag na-picturean nyo na po yung ID, the next step is to capture your face or your picturean yung face. And meron pong guide kung ano yung angle na kailangan yung picturean. Kailangan syempre malinaw yung camera. And then after that, kapag na-picturean nyo na po yung ID, automatically mariread ng system yung details na nakalagay sa ID. It will read the first name and last name and yung ID number and including your date of birth. And then you will click continue. And kung registered voter po kayo, walang concern sa registration nyo, ang expectation is makaka-receive kayo ng congratulations na confirmation. So it says, congratulations, you are successfully validated. Please expect to receive SMS or email for further instructions. And then don't forget to click the click here option kasi doon naman kayo magla-log in kapag ready na kayong bumoto online. So, i-take note nyo po yung user ID nyo and password. Importante po na details yan para makapag-online voting kayo ng walang issue. So, log in using the email or number you have provided. So, i-take note nyo po yung mga details na yun. And then, it will send you another OTP for verification. And then, once ready na po for voting, naka-indicate yung time kung kailan siya open or date, and then you can click to vote. And once you click to vote, it will show you the instruction. So first is select your option, review your ballot, and cast your ballot. So once you read the instruction, you will click Start Voting. And then the next step is yung selection na ng mga candidates, kung sino po yung iboboto nyo. Ilalagay ko rin po sa description yung listahan ng candidates para po makapaglista na kayo in advance before the voting period. So, pinapakita po dito sa screenshot na you can do this online or via cell phone. And then the next step is that pwede nyo na pong i-review yung ballot. And then once you're all good with your votes, then you can click on cast your ballot. And then magtatanong po uli yan kung sure na tayong sa boto natin. It will ask, yes, I want to cast my digital ballot. And then once everything is good, you've submitted yung boto nyo, ito na po yung magiging confirmation. Your ballot has been cast successfully. And then you have an option to print or to save the copy, and you can click on finish. So, ganun po yung magiging proseso. Nagustuhan ko po yung screenshots na to kasi mas clear yung steps na kailangan nating sundin para sa nalalapit na online voting. And kung may katanungan po kayo, mag-comment lang po kayo sa ating comment section. And don't forget to take note of the dates for the enrollment and also for the voting. Make sure na i-check niyo po yung mobile number niyo or yung email address na ni-register niyo para lagi po kayong updated.
Kung nagustuhan niyo ang tips sa video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak abroad na interesadong bumoto at mag-iwan ng comment. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, click lang ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga bagong content. Maraming salamat po sa suporta, mag-ingat at mabuhay!